The strength of the soul. The strength of the soul, or in Korean, Naegong, is the greatest force there is in the universe. There is no other force that can compare, not even gravity. Our soul gets strong the moment it fills with energy. In that same moment, wisdom and knowledge come about, and human beings light up like bright stars that rip darkness apart and guide sailors along their rightful course. Contemporary human beings evolved as they are now, and are in fact like stars. They can light up the righteous way while distributing wisdom through the strength of their soul. This way, they contribute to the evolution of society, of the planet, and of the entire universe. On the other hand, should they not allow truth to tame them, this strength would never manifest, and they would not be able to contribute to this great change. They would remain mere planets, and shall not become stars.